Hello, welcome back to LearnAnyone channel. So if you are a beginner, freshers, okay, on SAP BW for HANA system, so this is a very good like demo sessions with you. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here we will discuss step by step tutorial. If you are a beginner, okay, so basic, very basic on steps. Okay, how initially we start a practice on SAP demo system. So let's start. So you can see this is a very initial screen for BW for HANA. So how you are sure this is a BW for HANA system? First of all, you have to go to the system over here. Now status, under status, you will have here, see, SAP HANA database is given. Okay, now product version give here, and now here you can actual pictures are there. Okay, like what are the component actually installed over here. You can see here BW4 HANA. Okay, SP7 is installed over here, 2.0 version of BW4 HANA. So this is the way or steps you can check whether it is HANA BW4 HANA system or not, right? So now this is essential, a very basic T code we can use RSA1, right? So but RSA1 is totally absolute and BW4 HANA till 7.5 BW is used RSA1 but for modeling, but BW4 HANA is totally absolute. So I will tell you how we can do modeling, okay, in SAP BW4 HANA. So before going ahead, let some basic thing I will explain you. This is the menu bar here. All the detail would be here. You can go through once and edit favorite as per your requirement. You can add initial here the some T codes if you want. Okay, let's example. If you want something here, let's see, if you want to create, right click over here, open a folder, right? Or you can like add over here. So let's see, anything if you require, you can, here is the button, you can add it, right? So similar way you can add something over here. So as per your requirement, let's see, favorite over here, you can add something like folder or something, some folder. You can see new folder. If you want something like I want to some SC11 something, okay, so you can add over here. See, I have added over here and double click, it open directly. So it is favorite, it is very helpful to us. Like if you are going to, let's say it is close, I am going to again, I am going to log in over here. See, I am logging again, and so this is, we have a screen over here. Okay, so this is a favorite, how we can do it. Draw. Now let's see, if you want to delete anything, you can delete it. Let's see, I want to delete this one. Okay, you can go here and directly you can delete from here, favorite, right? See, this is the how we are doing, right? So now once done, then you can see the toolbar. Even we have it like this is a find, this is a like a more find. Okay, and maximum 6 pages you can open. Okay, like screen you can open at a time. So here is the button where you can new GUI 6 times you can open maximum, right? So this is the, and here we the last, this is the layout. Okay, I mean as per your requirement you can set your layout, how the color, themes and font, everything. You can go here options and you can set as per your requirement, like theme or classic, crystal, whatever. Like font also is there, like as per the, we have a 11 here, but you can select as per your requirement, right? And some color also is there. Okay, so you can select as per your requirement, and once you changes over here, just apply and okay. So you can re-log in. Okay, that whatever you have changes, it would be reflected, right? So this is how it is working. Okay, now again I'm coming into the modeling, right? So we have a common T code, that is the modeling. We have a RSA1, which is very important T code, right? For the modeling, RSA1. See here some error, you can ignore this one and click continue. So yes, so this is, we have a RSA1, you can see, right? So but this RSA1 is not supported anymore. You can see there is no, I mean much options are available over here because it is not supported properly. It is not supported. You can see there is a button here called hide and show navigator. Okay, this is a tree format or like half format. You can choose as per. See here, you can't see here a modeling option. There is no modeling because BW4 HANA is totally absolute, right? So you can see admin, transport document, BI content, translation and media directory. These are the major, okay, we have it, but modeling is not there. Okay, why modeling? Because modeling is absolute here, T code is totally absolute it. So you can do modeling over a either Eclipse, okay, IDS or Eclipse or HANA Studio. These two tools are there where you can have a modeling, right? So let's come into the modeling. Okay, so already we have open here HANA Studio, okay, and already we have connected here. So you can watch my previous video how we can basically connected the BW4 system, okay, with a HANA Studio or Eclipse. Okay, if in case any query how to add, okay, you can just comment me, definitely we will assist you, or you can mail us, right? So now you can see here already we have connected this HANA Studio with your BW4 HANA system. So you can see these are the list of a source system, and these are the BW repository. Okay, as we can see here, info area, you can see here info objects, see DSOs and all is available here. So all info object even available. Let's see if you want to search anything. This is a global, right? So I'm searching something like a material something. So this is you can see it is a came here, right? So like DTP, you can click over here, it will open here. So this is how I mean look like for your new BW4 HANA system. Okay, so then whatever you want to create, you can create over here, like all the info objects, key figures, info area, DSO, composite provider, CB and all, right? So all we can create over. See, so many are available over here. Some practice, some have done all the practice like info area, and so this is basically the basics tutorial for you. Okay, and apart from that, okay, if you want to see here, these more options are there, like this is a repository. Apart from that, we have a favorite as well over here. If you want to save something like individual, if you want to save something like because BW4 HANA is huge system, okay, I mean we don't know where is that our system, I mean our folder and all, right? So you can just bookmark your object over here for a favorite. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, and this is the source and this is the BW repository. So here we will all the source are available like BW, SAP extraction, HANA info view, like CDS, ECC, right? And flat file and all are available. Even if you have any local system, it also is connected over here. So these are the basically overview. Okay, and you can go through, it will definitely it will help you to you. Okay, apart from that, let me come into the your RSA one, which is totally absolute no use basically RSA1 going forward in BW4 HANA. But yes, something we have it like admin kind of thing, like process chains. Still we have a process chains. If you build any process chain on HANA Studio or Eclipse ID, definitely will be reflected over here. See, someone is created already, but process chain is reflected over here. See, so you can monitor even here, you can schedule it. Okay, whatever you can do it over here, no problem. But something you want to create anything related to modeling, okay, like info object, process chains, whatever DSO and what etc, you have to go to the like Eclipse or HANA Studio, right? So this is we have a source system monitoring tool. Let's see here, we have monitoring tool already available here. So based on your requirement, you can go through remodeling. We have a housekeeping task, current setting, all if you want as per your requirement, you can do it over here. And transportation also available here, right? If you want to some transport the object from development to quality to production, definitely it is available here. You can do it over in RSA1. There is a BI content even also available, translation and more options are available. Okay, only RSA1 is going to absolute over here. So going forward, you can have only this tool to develop your any object on the BW side. Okay, and you can use this Eclipse, either Eclipse or HANA Studio, to create our objects right over here. So this is a modeling and this is a complete roadmap. Okay, so day by day you will learn quickly the, okay, and please follow me of this channel, and definitely you have to comment, or you can like, subscribe, and definitely you can share with your friends. So if in case any questions, please mail us, definitely we can assist you. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.